On May 2018, this man was shot by this man in his house. But what really triggered that action? Here is the insane story.
After this video, you should know why it is better to stay away from trouble.
This type of 3D animation is going viral and a lot of people are making money out of it already. If you notice very well, a lot of people are now using it to create a crime scene, and also those people that are into head content creation, those people that don't want to put their face on camera like this, they are using it to create an explainer video. And also a lot of people are using it to create a story video. Yes, for those people that know how to write story, they use it to create a story video. And in today's video, you are going to learn how to do everything. And guess what? It is absolutely free. No skill needed. All you need is to know how to structure your prompt, which I'm going to be teaching you how to write a well-structured prompt to create this type of 3D animation using AI. So make sure to pay very close attention to this video so you don't miss any part of this video. You know I don't like too much talk. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so for you to achieve this, we are going to be making use of ChatGPT, Google Image FX, and also Google VEO 3, and then Google AI Studio to achieve this. It's a very simple thing. You don't need to worry. Don't panic that, oh, the tools are plenty. No worry. All the tools that we are going to be using in this video is absolutely free and it's not going to take much of your time. Okay, so just pay very close attention. Let's go ahead and do this very fast. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to get the prompt, right? So we are going to be using ChatGPT to structure our prompt. Okay, now head over to ChatGPT and then go ahead and type your prompt. So I'm going to be typing this prompt, an ultra detail cinematic, an ultra detail cinematic 3D. Yeah, because it's going to be 3D, right? 3D render of a faceless, yeah, of a faceless, then no eye. All right, no eye tone, no eye tone. Okay, so here's my prompt. All right, so this is my prompt: an ultra detailed cinematic 3D render of a faceless future human, blah 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 blah. So you don't need to panic about this prompt. All right, I'm going to be dropping this prompt on our Telegram channel, so you can check the description of this video. You are going to locate our Telegram channel. Go ahead and copy this prompt. All right, go ahead and copy it. And the prompt, there's two ways in which you can get the prompt. You can get this my own and then twist it, or you can tell ChatGPT directly, explain everything that you want to generate in detail to ChatGPT. Right, so that is how I first get this prompt. Right, I just describe everything that I want to generate in detail. Oh, I want so thing. This is how I want it to be. Then tell ChatGPT to act as a prompt engineer and optimize your prompt for you. So with that, ChatGPT is going to act as a prompt engineer and rewrite that your prompt for you, the one that you describe, the one that you narrate in detail to ChatGPT. Okay, it's just like you just narrating something. How you want the video to be, how you want the image to be, just narrate it in detail to ChatGPT. Okay, and then ChatGPT is going to help you to structure the prompt if you don't know how to write the prompt very well. So that is one of the best way to write your prompt. You must not be a prompt engineer before you generate a prompt. All right, so now this is my prompt, right? This is my prompt, but I want to write something up here, and this is what I want to write. I want to, if you can write it up or you can write it down. I want to tell it to create an image, because it will be better we first generate an image before we generate the video directly to get a better result. Okay, create 2D. Let me tell it to create 2D scene that I can generate the image and convert it, right, and convert to video. Yeah, and convert to video. So this is my prompt. Now my prompt is not complete. Okay, you see, but this is my prompt. So all I need to do now is to go ahead and hit OK. Okay, look at the prompt. Look at scene 1. You know, remember I say scene create 2 scene, right? Look at scene 1. Look at scene 1. Okay, this is the scene 1. An ultra detailed cinematic 3D render of a faceless featureless human figure, blah 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 blah. And then look at another scene. Okay, scene 2. Okay, abandoned alley crime scene. All right, look at the scene 2. Okay, guys, this is very, very nice. This is cool. This is what we want, and we got it right. Okay, now we have gotten this scene. This is cool. This is nice. Now, let's go and generate this image first and see how the scene is going to look like. All right, I want us to generate the image and see how the scene will look like first before we go ahead and generate the video. All right, so first of all, let's just copy this particular scene one. Now copy this scene, and then we are going to be making, for the purpose of this video, you can make use of any image generating application. All right, but for the purpose of this video, for me, I'm going to be using Google Image FX, because when it comes to image generating, Google Image FX is one of the best image generating application. And because I want every tools that we use in this video to be absolutely free, so that is more reason why I want us to use Google Image FX, because Google Image FX is absolutely free. All right, so for you to access Google Image FX, we are going to be accessing it using Google. Okay, just come here and search for Image FX. Image FX, right? Then go ahead and hit OK. All right, and then here we are, this particular one, the first image, the first link, go on and click it. Okay, so here we are on Google Image FX. So this is how the interface looks like. Okay, this is how the interface looks like. The first thing that you need to do is to go ahead and do your setting, right? Click this setting, and then go ahead and select your aspect ratio. Okay, go ahead and select your aspect ratio. Click it. For the purpose of this video, we are going to be using landscape because we are generating for YouTube, right? We are going to be using landscape. All right, and then go ahead and click the input, and then go ahead and paste the prompt that you got from ChatGPT. All right, go ahead and paste the prompt, and then go ahead and hit generate. Now let's watch and see the magic from Google Image FX. All right, okay, look at the image that we got from Google Image FX. Look at that. That one thing I love about Google Image FX is the fact that it will give you multiple options, right? You see, look at this one. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Look at this. Okay, and look at this. Oh my goodness, this is cool. This is nice. I love this. Okay, I love this. This is what we want, and we got it right. And then I'll select this one. Is it this? I think this one is okay. Go ahead and select anyone that you like. Okay, for me, I just download everything though. All right, so now that we have generated the image successfully, the next thing to do is to convert this image to video. But we need a prompt. We cannot just go ahead and then straight up and then generate the video. We are not going to get a good result. We need a prompt to control the video, right? So we are going to be using ChatGPT for that. Somehow ChatGPT do not know boya we are using this, we are turning image to video. So I'm going to let ChatGPT know that we are okay with a very good camera position. Now I just have to go ahead and click OK. Okay, but now see the prompt now. Convert the still image of faceless figure blah 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 in front of detail, camera movement and position. Begin with so thing. But I'm going to tell it to write it in form of paragraph so that we can get a very good result. Write it, hit OK, because I need to get a very good result. This thing is just you have to do and do and do for you to get a very good result. All right, see bar. Now you see, convert the still image. Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead and copy this particular prompt. So copy the prompt. I'm going to be dropping all this prompt on our Telegram channel, right? Check the description of this video. You are going to locate our Telegram channel. Go ahead and download the prompt. Okay, go ahead and download the prompt. Now we need to head over to Google VEO tree to get our video generated, to turn our image into video. For you to do that, go to your Chrome, go ahead and search for VEO tree. Search for VEO tree, and then this first link, Google DeepMind. Go ahead and use Google DeepMind. click try in flow and click create with flow. Okay, and here we are on Google VEO 3. For the purpose of those that are new on this channel, let me quickly walk you through the interface. If you look very well, you are going to see text to video. Go ahead and click the text to video. If you click the text to video, you are going to see text to video, frames to video, ingredient to video. Now let me explain this to you. Text to video is just when you write your prompt to get your video generated. That is text to video. And then frames to video, this is when you upload your image to convert it to video. That is photo to video. And then ingredient to video. Ingredient to video is actually the combination of the two. And if you look very well, you are going to see a hamburger icon behind the VEO3 fast. Go ahead and click it. If you click it, you are going to see VEO3 fast. Go ahead and click the VEO3 fast. If you click the VEO3 fast, you are going to see VEO3 fast and VEO2 fast. Now let me explain the difference between VEO3 fast and VEO2 fast for you. VEO3 fast actually come with audio. Your character can talk, your character can speak. But VEO2 fast, in the other hand, your character cannot speak. Your video is just going to be silent. Okay, your video is just going to be silent. And then if you look very well, you are going to see the aspect ratio. You see by aspect ratio, you see landscape and portrait. Go ahead and select anyone. And also if you look very well, you are going to see output per prompt. Now click it. If you click the output per prompt, you are going to see 1, 2, 3 to 4. Now this output per prompt is the amount of video you want the AI to generate for you per prompt. Now, if I input my single prompt, how many video am I expecting the AI to generate for me? 1, 2, 3, or 4? I will always advise you to use 1. Yes, I always advise you to use 1 to save your AI credit. I just choose my aspect ratio and we are going to be using frames to video. If you look very well, you are going to see 2 plus. The first plus is starting frames and the second plus is ending frames. The second plus is actually optional, right? So we are going to be using the first one and then go ahead and upload the image. The image, upload it, and then choose landscape also, and then crop and save. Okay, our image has been uploaded successfully. Go ahead and paste the prompt that you got from ChatGPT and then go ahead and hit generate. Okay, our video has been generated successfully. Now let's play it and see. Okay, guys, this is cool. This is nice. This is what we want, and we got it right. All right, now let's go ahead and download this one. Download your video. But if you pay very close attention to this video, you realize that the camera position doesn't go very well. And when you are creating this type of 3D rendering video, the camera position needs to be a very good one. Like to create a professional video, you need to be changing the camera position. If you have been watching this type of video, you notice that they usually change the camera position very well, different angle to make it look more professional. And this is how you can change the camera position. You can copy this particular prompt, this same prompt, take it to ChatGPT and then tell ChatGPT to change the camera position. Yes, you can indicate it by telling it to change it to, maybe wide angle shot or maybe from up, from down, from side. Do you understand? And also you can change the camera position directly from Google VEO 3 here. Okay, for the purpose of this video, let's change the camera position directly from Google VEO 3 here, because that one is very, very easy and it's very fast. Okay, let's change the camera position to get a more professional result. All right, so after we get the camera position, then I'll now show you how you can actually add a natural voice to this video. Okay, how to add the voiceover. That, as you watch the video from the beginning, the video was actually talking, right? I'm going to show you how to add a natural voice to the video also, so pay very close attention. Let's quickly get the camera position. So to add the camera position, go ahead and click this reverse arrow, and then you are going to see, after this plus icon, you are going to see this camera AI.
Okay, you just have to go ahead and click it.
So if you click that camera icon, it's going to bring you here. As you can see, those are camera position. You see, dolly in, dolly out, jib down, jib up, orbit left, orbit right. Okay, there are a whole lot of camera position here. Okay, there are still more. Okay, if you scroll up, there are still more. So now, for the purpose of this video, let's just choose any random one. Let me just choose this orbit right and see the result. So just go ahead and click it. Okay, we choose the orbit right camera position. Now let's watch and see the result. Okay, let's watch and see the result. All right, so look at that. Okay, look at that. Now let's play the video and see if we are going to get a good result. Okay, go ahead and play the video. You see that this camera position is definitely different from the first one, right? And this is better. That is orbit right. You can take it to orbit left. Like, there are a whole lot of camera position on it. Okay, you can just go ahead and select anyone. Okay, just play around with the camera position to get a very good result. Okay, so now the question now is that how do you now get the sound, the voiceover that you can use on this video to make sure you get a very good result? Should in case there are some people that don't even want to use their voice, I'm going to show you a natural voice for free. Yes, using Google AI Studio, right? So all we need to do now is to head over to Google AI Studio to get our natural voice. And also, if you want to use your own voice, you can go ahead and then record your own voice. I highly recommend you to use your own voice. If you use your own voice, your own original voice, you are not going to have issue when it comes to monetization policy. Okay, content monetization policy, you are not going to have issue with that at all. Everything will work perfectly because that is what Google wants, at least a little human effort, right? But if you still want to use AI voice, I highly recommend you to use a more natural voice, a voice that is very well natural. That is why we are going to be using Google AI Studio to get our natural voice. Okay, or you can use 11 Lab, right, to do it. Okay, come here, come to Google, search for Google AI Studio, Google AI, Google AI Studio, right? And then go ahead and click this first link. Look at this, Google AI Studio. Go ahead and click this get started. Okay, you see about try Nano Banana. You can access Nano Banana from here directly, but we are going to be using generate native speech with Gemini. Okay, you see, but one thing I love about Google AI Studio text to speech is the fact that you can use multi-character. Yes, you can use more than one character. If you want one character to speak, for example, my first character can say hello, my second character can reply, how are you doing? With different voice, right? But for the purpose of this video, we are going to be using one character because it's just a narrative. So go ahead and select the character. Select this hamburger icon and then select single speaker. Okay, and then go ahead and select the model that you want. If you click this drop down arrow voice, you are going to see a whole lot of model here. Look at that. Okay, you can go ahead and select from anyone. Let's play this one and see.
Got a project in mind?
Let me volume so that you see that.
Ready to build something awesome today? Got a project in mind?
You see that the voice is so natural.
Ready to make something amazing?
Okay.
What sparks your interest?
Okay.
What kind of masterpiece are we aiming for? What's a skill you'd like to develop?
You see that we have a natural voice.
What kind of problem could we solve?
Okay.
Ready to build something awesome today?
Okay, so you can just go ahead and select any voice that you want. And the insane part is that this platform is absolutely free. And so you can just go ahead and select any voice that you want. Let me say I want to use this particular voice.
Ready to build something awesome today?
Let me see.
Got a project in mind?
Okay.
Got a project in mind?
I'm looking for the one that is good that I can use. Okay, let me see. I want to use this for particular one. This Horus. Okay, and then you can come here and then type what you want the character to talk. Okay, your speech, what you want the character to say, you can go ahead and type it. Okay, now I'm going to type I don't actually have the idea right now. Let me just type anything randomly. It's just for the purpose of this video, just example. But you that want to create this for something more real, you can use ChatGPT to script the story, right, to make it look professional, to make it look right. Okay, now let me go ahead and type anything. Let me say in 2000 and just stop here. All right, let me just stop here. So this is what I want the character to talk. So just go ahead and click run. This is the voiceover that we are going to use on this video. So our audio has been generated successfully. Now let's play the audio and see. Let's play it and see.
In May 2018, this man was shot by this man in his house. But what really happened and what triggered that action?
Okay, this is cool. This is nice. All right. So now after you generate this voiceover and you get your video generated, the footage, you now head over to CapCut or any video editing application or software. Then you now put everything together and then boom, you are good to go. That this is cool. This is nice. So this is how to generate the voiceover, right? I believe you find this helpful. So this is basically how to create a 3D animation video using AI. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't just go. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are watching from YouTube. And don't forget to follow this account if you are watching from Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. I'm BigJohnab as per usual friend. Hand to head. Salute. Bye.